Okay, Rob. Apparently the milk frother option is not working. I'm opening up the thing. I'm attaching it to what I have to. I'm closing it up. I'm going to choose milk froth. Milk froth. As you can see, we got it set. I'm going to hit this to start it. Get rid of the water. But I will show you no milk comes out. So the machine wasn't fixed as far as the milk frothing is concerned at all. I don't know if they even tested it, so some water comes out, which of course I'm going to spill out because we don't want that. And watch what happens. We get some steam, but no milk comes out. Nothing. I'm going to prove it to you. And it's almost at the end. Just a bunch of steam. So that's what's in the cup. So we got an issue. Thank you.